excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got 5 apps that can give you at least $60 in an hour, easy PayPal money. Right, before I give you the details, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money using the power of the internet. And if it is your desire to learn how to leverage the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct candidate. You are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Right, without any further ado, my friend, let's just jump onto business. Right, this is our first website. It's called Surveys on the Go. Right, Surveys on the Go is a mobile market research tool that pays users for their opinions. You will have opportunities to share your views on many subjects, including products and shopping, entertainment, sports, media, and technology. Then you click that button to start. Right, you can download the app on your iPhone, on your iPad, or on your Android device. Right, tech surveys is fun, informative, and it pays. Your opinion is important and your time is valuable. So we pay you for making your app part of your daily routine. You cash out with PayPal, right? So you need a PayPal account for you to be paid with this app. So if you don't have a PayPal account, my friend, just go to paypal.com and then sign up for a free account, okay? You sign up for a personal account. So you've got a choice also of being paid through Amazon gift cards or Starbucks gift cards, okay? So you can download the app right there, all right? We want to see what sort of ratings we have on this app. 75,000 people left their opinions about this app. We've got 4.6 stars out of 5. That's a very good score right there, all right? Fortune 500 companies, the entertainment industry, and other brands around the country need your opinions and will pay you cash for them, not points, using powerful location services. Surveys on the Go can alert you every time you are near a business. That one's your feedback. You take surveys, test products, and make bucks, okay? So this is how it works. You allow notifications and location services when you sign up. We will invite you to take up surveys whenever they are available, usually a few per month, okay? And redeem your reward once you have earned $10. So if we can check 1 or 2 reviews, right? Great app, pays out for real. Just cashed out over $30. You can read some more reviews on that button, okay? Our next app is called Toluna Influencers, all right? So if you are in the UK, it will say uk.toluna.com. If you are in the US, it will say USA or us.toluna.com, okay? Influence your world. Your voice plus our voice equal the voice of change. Then you click the start button right there. Let us help you get your ideas into the right ears. Right. Your personal opinion can become inspiration that others need. With great feedback comes great rewards. It's imperative for you to have a PayPal account, my friend. All right. Look at the brands that use this website: Amazon, CBS, Kellogg's, Coca-Cola, Fiat, Expedia, and many more. This is where you sign in. Come on into Toluna. Inspire everything that is new and cool in this world. Product services, pet care, heck, even how your spaghetti tastes, right? Then you fill in the form, all right? Our third website is called Observer, right? Download the app for free and start observing. This is how it works. Here's a short guide on how to become an observer and how Observer works. You download the app and create an account, all right? You choose your observation. Once you are logged in, check opportunities available to you, select the one you are like to complete, and accept it, okay? Right, then you complete the observation, then you get paid within 72 hours. And how do you get paid? PayPal. So this is the app. Join more than 100,000 people who are acting as secret shoppers, or as we call them, observers. Getting started is simple. You just head to stores, snap some photos, and answer a couple of questions, and that's it. Observer is fun, fast, and easy way to make PayPal money or Bitcoin. Gigs pay between $4 and $20, right? So you can find out that a gig, that is your visit to a shop. Your visit to a shop takes 20 minutes on average, and then you get paid $20 per gig. So this is how you can make at least $60 per hour, just a 20-minute gig, a 20-minute visit, and take some photos, talk to a few associates in the shop, and then you make $20. And that's it. This opportunity is available in the States and in Canada, right? Let me know where you are watching from in the world, my friend, so that I can make some videos that will benefit you from where you are, from your country. So more than 500,000 has already been paid to observers. Answer easy questions and take some photos. The next website we are going to look at is Easy Shift. Get paid to shop, eat, or to explore in your city, right? So you download the app right there. Freedom to earn when and where you want. Find quick jobs at local stores and shops. Available now all over the US and the UK. Start today. No application or experience necessary. These are some of the brands that use this website: Forbes, Wall Street Journal, US Today, and Mashable. This is how the app looks as you download it on your phone or on your device. Simply search the map to locate and reserve a nearby shift. Visit the store to answer questions and take photos as requested in the app and get paid. You remember the other one was a gig. This one is a shift now. Your visit to your neighbor shop is called a shift, and it takes 15 minutes. Most payments are deposited directly into your PayPal account in less than 48 hours. All you need is a phone and one easy app. Okay. Our last website, my friend, is called Cash Magnet. Get money from your Android phone, right? This one is available on Android devices only, right? We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing, right? So this one is going to pay you for doing nothing, right? All you need is the app on your Android device, on your Android phone. All right, you can look at Mac right here. Mac is collecting points doing nothing. Sign up to start working, email and your password, and that's it, right? Then you can download the app. We have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You don't need to perform any tasks. You don't need to watch any ads. You don't need to play any games. Earnings will come in passive mode. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, you can buy another phone, right? So here, what you can do is you can buy another phone, and then you download the app, and you allow the apps on your phones to go to work for you passively whilst you are sleeping, whilst you are doing other things. You can encourage your sister, your brother, or your family member to download the app on their Android phones, and then as a family, you start to earn some good side income. All right. So you see, it says now only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, you can buy another phone that works for you round the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. Okay, right. It's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. All right. You can cash out with PayPal. This is how the app looks like. Cash Magnet receive gift cards and money, right? Why not give a try to your Android-powered phone to earn you some extra pocket money? Cash Magnet will allow your phone to earn some money passively on a regular basis. Unlike dozens of other apps, Cash Magnet is 99% passive, and you hardly have to do anything once the app is launched. And that's 4.3 stars out of 5. That's a good score right there. Right, so these are the 5 websites that I promised you, my friend, that you can use to make at least $60 in an hour if you put some time into them. All right. If you really want to put some time into what I told you right here, you can make a little bit of money to put gas in your car, to buy some bread, some shoes, some this or that for your family. Okay. But you see, let me tell you that there is the opposite of active income, which is called passive income, right? The internet now has leveled the playground for everyone. That ordinary people like you and me can make some decent amount of money using the power of the internet. I've got a link in the description below that says my #1 recommendation to make money on AutoPilot, right? Click that link. You have an opportunity to talk one-on-one with a mentor, someone who is going to guide you to build a business on AutoPilot. The business that runs on AutoPilot 24/7, 365, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family, with your loved ones, with your husband, with your wife, whilst you are doing the more important things of life, right? So click that link in the description, which says my #1 recommendation, making money online on AutoPilot, right? If you found value in this video, my friend, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.